Well, that's always very easy. Predicting it right and making money, it's not impossible. It could be a challenge.
Basically, a Darwin Platform group of companies is around 25 years old company, started in 1996. So it's around 2.5 decades old, under the leadership of our chairman, Sri Mr. Ajay Harinath Singh, who happens to be the descendant of Ikshvaku Vanshaj clan, Lord Rama. And this company, as we say Darwin is an evolution. So the company has evolved into various business sectors, like banking, non-banking finance, information technology, infrastructure, then pharmaceuticals, healthcare, shipping, logistics. So it's a diversified conglomerate of around 25 verticals, 25 to 27 verticals. Prime achievement which we have made in recent is the retail sector and the defense sector, which we are currently looking on and focusing more on that. As looking at Darwin, looking at the family, there are around 36,000 employments which have created by Darwin in the current fiscal year, and we are looking at 1.25 lakh more employments to come in near future.
Since the outbreak of pandemic, we as an organization, we were steadfast in our approach to face every eventuality and move ahead. I think the leadership of Sri Ajay Harinath Singh exemplifies being proactive and take things forward.
Looking at the current crisis, the Darwin's principles are very much simple, and it merely has a similarity with our PM's vision, which is based on Atmanirbhar Bharat and Vocal for Local. So the things which we are looking at, the principles which we are working on it, are very much similar to that. So Darwin is a company, an Indian multinational company, which has been having a presence in 11 countries and around 28 states we have reached.
So when we talk about Darwin's foray into emerging areas, we have identified retail as a business, defense electronics as a business, insurance and banking as a business, NBFC as a business, realty and infrastructure development as a business. So these are the businesses which are there. In addition to this, information technology, with a lot of emphasis in e-commerce, cloud computing, as well as artificial intelligence and robotics, is something which is gaining a lot of preference in the Darwin Group. We are ensuring that we get the right manpower talent, the right systems in place to make this happen. A lot of national and international partnerships are there. There are universities from America, there are IT organizations, boutique IT companies from Mexico, universities from India, who have come together to join hands and take our vision forward.
During the pandemic, we had given 36,000 direct as well as indirect employment to the Republic of India. And being an Indian, it honors us most. Being a Darwinite, it honors us most. And we are looking towards to increase the strength of employment to around 1,25,000 for the coming few years in various sectors of Darwin. And apart from that, the special initiatives which were taken, it was towards the defense related area that we had prepared a special program under naming as PREP. So PREP is a program which provides post-retirement employment program to the defense services people which are having an age period of 58 to 75, so that they can come ahead and a social economic gesture can be given and employment can be created for them as well. So this were the few initiatives which Darwin had taken during this course of time. There were things which this organization has done very robustly, very bluntly. During this course of pandemic, we were not stopping. In around 25 states, our pharmaceutical company had provided PPE kits, hand sanitizers, masks, as well as in few states, in rural areas, there were supplies of food as well. A prepared food, a team was being driven so that they can give end foods to the rural public and so that their needs could be sufficed on daily basis. So it was under the vision of a chairman. Apart from that, the special initiatives which were taken, it was towards the defense related area that we had prepared a special program under naming as PREP. So PREP is a program which provides post-retirement employment program to the defense services people which are having an age period of 58 to 75, so that they can come ahead and a social economic gesture can be given and employment can be created for them as well. We are looking on the same aspect of Atmanirbhar Bharat, where our Prime Minister of India, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Modi ji, he says Atmanirbhar Bharat and be vocal for local. So looking on this aspect, we are thinking on certain more areas where we can give employment to skilled and unskilled people and increase the ratio of employment in India.
गुड 3 घंटे में हेलीकॉप्टर पहुंच जाना चाहिए और हाँ हॉस्टेजेस के लिए खाना।
एक्सक्यूज मी, स्विगी पे बड़े ऑर्डर पर डिस्काउंट है, सबके लिए मैक्सिकन हो जाए।
आपको
Swiggy's Matchday Mania, big discounts on large orders.
बेटी तो यूं सीख जाएगी, प्रॉमिस।
100 साल पुराना दुकान है, रंग नहीं निकलेगा, प्रॉमिस।
ऐसा ही आएगा ना?
प्रॉमिस।